In this video, you'll learn how to verify that iubenda is correctly updating consent preferences through Shopify's Customer Privacy API. First, visit your Shopify store and grant consent through your iubenda cookie banner. Next, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Then open the Console tab in your browser's developer tools. To retrieve the current visitor consent preferences from Shopify, paste the following command into the console and press Enter. If you see an uncaught type error, make sure the iubenda cookie banner snippet is properly embedded. If the values are empty or all show no, iubenda is not connected to the Shopify Consent API. Check that the Privacy Controls and Cookie Solution snippet is properly embedded. If some or all values show yes, the integration is working and consent preferences are being correctly detected. And that's it. You've confirmed whether your Shopify store is correctly passing consent preferences through the Shopify Customer Privacy API.